Welcome, guys. Welcome. Guys, you know I miss this video. Watch this video to find out and to see everything we may have to say in this video. Because this video, guys, it's a shame. It's a shame. It's really a shame. Watch the video, like the video, share the video, and guys, remember, as you start watching the video, thumbs up the video, and remember to watch the ads them, guys, because you don't know, when you watch the eyes, you are support the channel and you are push the channel far. So guys, watch this video. Don't miss any part of this video. Go for your popcorn. Go for your popcorn. All right, watch the video.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody get.
The boy, she have money and she have all of this at Jamaica, but still yet, she want to use my credit card to pay for app. No use of that. Con. You understand? Con artist. That's what she is. See our next one here. Right? I would like a vegetable peeler, boo. You understand? She want one we can shred cabbage. Right? And shred carrot. Me not have nothing, right? Me not have nothing, right? I call Western Union to process the funds. Me not have nothing.
Hold on, me wake. Oh, Jesus, he still attack? Hold on. Did he just talk about a peeler? That's in America, a peeler like that is about $5, maybe $10, maybe $15. Whew. Me couldn't listen to him, me people. Me fall asleep. Welcome, people. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. How you do? You know, all right. I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you not feel no pain. If you not feel no pain, that is good. If you don't feel any pain, remember what you do. Check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, make the doctor come at you if you have the money. If you don't, make somebody bring it to the doctor. And as always, guys, here we may say, wellness check. Please, I beg you, do some wellness check for your family, for your friends, for your enemies. Remember, check out the people and wellness check. Give them a call. And guys, you don't know, Christmas is coming. Yes, Christmas are come. So you don't know, Jamaicans, they want a piece of goat, piece of pork, some sorrel, and the black cake. Yes, me people. You see me just wake. Me fall asleep because me cannot listen to the same thing over and over and over and over. Hold on a little bit. Who yeah? Alicia Kim. Mackie want back the phone when buy. Alicia Kim game back in dirty phone. Alicia Kim, me know say you right now you sit down which part you there. I regret the day you make this kind of mistake in your life. But Alicia Kim, I want to say something to you, see? And to the viewers and subscribers them out there, everybody out there. I want to know, listen to something that I'm going to say right now. You see the day when Alicia Kim contact Mackie and tell Mackie say she going to the hospital, and because Alicia Kim never contact Mackie and tell Mackie say she there home, but she contact him and tell him say she there at a comedy show, and Mackie get vexed That was the day, the good Lord. That was the day, God, Jesus, Jehovah, whatever name you want to call him. That was the day that the good Lord, Jesus, whatever name, was telling Alicia Kim to run. That first argument was what telling Alicia Kim to run because Alicia Kim contact him, tell him, oh yeah, she going to the hospital. Contact him and tell him, say, I am hot. A little event. He get mad. He blow up. He says that was when the first red flag. That's when Alicia Kim should have gone about her business. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I could talk about a few things. So, Alicia Kim was a Jezebel. Huh. Alicia Kim was a big Jezebel. So, my thing now is this. Guys, I'm going to allow you to listen to a couple things that Mackie have to say. And guys, I want you to listen to these things, Listen to them really good. Listen to them, Listen, please. I'm asking you, listen.
Control.
Please
I
be
don't know when
honest
it's my
with us.
brethren. I've never controlled a woman. The woman get up and go anywhere she wanna, but no question asked. That's all. Okay, baby. See you later, and that's it. I've never tell this woman to move her foot forward or backward. Never.
Guys,
Because once upon a time,
when you
I hear
listen,
them say that, you know, you
you
was
can't
very
take to listen to
controlling
him,
to
so
that
me I
young
go for
lady.
sleep.
In a one sense where, you don't want her to really do anything. You don't want her to move forward, like in whatever dreams or whatever goals she's trying to accomplish.
My brethren, you know, they have so much for sure, so much to say. This lady reaches part she is because of me. This lady's
Okay,
success, this lady's success is my success. Because when I meet this lady, she had nothing. And I can't show her that.
is right. What
Yes.
was the relationship with your ex-wife when things was on the right path? When things was going good, what was the relationship while you in a big foreign and she in Jamaica? What was the relationship was like? Was there any disrespect? Was there any butt head? Was there of just more lovey dovey, 24/7 on the phone?
No. There was there was quite a few bump in the head, of course. I mean, even the first month we bumped head, and we bumped head. What happened? Our mother was taking care of an older lady, right?
Right,
And she called me up the evening, said she leaving work, she going by her mother.
What is wrong
Because
with
her mother patient not doing good, because her mother used to take care of her old lady, right? And
right, right.
and she called me up and said, "Well, boy, she have to go to the hospital, with her mother, with the lady." And I said, "Well, okay, all right, we talk later on, right?" And about, because I was concerned, because I met the mother before I met my ex-wife.
Oh, so you meet the mom before you meet your
Yes,
ex-wife.
yes, yes, I met the mother because of a friend was talking to her niece.
Oh, so what a coincidence, but I didn't hear that mentioned on any social media platform. So if you want to elaborate a little bit more, you
No,
know,
no, 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 no. Let me finish. Tell you what me I tell you, right? And after, she said she going to the hospital, right? I said, all right. So, I was just home, very concerned, but her mother job and the lady, right? And, about,
right?
probably about midnight, probably about midnight or after, you know, I have it inside of my phone, you know. She texts me. It's inside of my phone, you know.
Okay.
She texts me and tell me that, well then boy, them the 100 or them the somewhere, I watch comedy show, right? So I am here sitting down, I think the worst about this lady and her patient, right? And
Right.
I said to her the same night, I said, man, at least you could only call, I say, well then boy, the lady are
Guys, see, you see why me go sleep? I should have did a sleep right through when him attack. Now, my viewers and subscribers, let me see if me can talk to Mackie and Mackie colleagues. First, I want to say, you see, all those things when Mackie I play about narcissists and all these kind of man, all those things. Remember, the gentleman who unalive his wife in a Canada, Alton Ferguson. That's the same action he have. The same action. Playing all those kind of notes. Now, my viewers and subscribers, let us talk about this phone that Mackie show that he bought for Alicia Kim. Now, guys, me just not understand me just not understand how some of you under Mackie comment section are right some things when me soon are right as women, because here what happen. Mackie buy a phone, buy some pad, buy a peeler, and a complain about a peeler. When Mackie himself say it with his own mouth, he's a loving papa. Remember, Mackie say it with his own mouth, you know. So I have something that I really want all of you to talk with me about. Yeah, if Mackie wasn't up to something with Alicia Kim, why would Mackie keep a phone that, as he says, listen what he says. I go make you hear what he says too. He says the phone is from 2018. He says this is a home phone that she don't even know he have, with text messages, phone call, every phone call, text message, and everything from 2018 to 2020. How can a man keep all those things if he didn't have a plan? How can a man keep those things on a phone that he says she don't know about if he didn't have a plan? Now, I own many phones. I have many phones that people send text, all sort of something in her. Ask me where they are. I don't know. Me no know where them there. Then dash way, then gone, then burn up, then mash up, then crush up them, everything that's gone. Why did he hold on to those information? Just ask yourself, why did Mackie hold on to all those information that is on that phone? He says it's a whole phone. And as a matter of fact, let me ask you, yeah man, you specific, you were watch. All I unaware against Alicia Kim. How would you feel if your ex would come on social media and read out the texts that you used to send him? Huh? How would you feel if your ex, Lady Keisha, you may talk to you now. How would you feel if your ex come on social media and read out the texts that you used to send to him? Ambitious Jackie, how would you feel if your ex come and read out all the text message that you used to send him? Vibes with Rosa, how would you feel if the man that you used to deal with, your ex, come and read out all the texts that you sent to him? Vibes, oh no. Me never talk about you because you no have nothing about you. You don't have no manners, no respect, no nothing. So you wouldn't feel no way because you are them I say my man they are the head man drunk. Are you are the head man drunk because you don't have nothing in your name. Decency. Mr. Doghouse. Because remember, you say if you have to get locked up in the doghouse, at your yard. Mr. Doghouse. Mr. Shit in a plate. Because you shit poop and everything in your truck, How would you feel if your, well, wife, as you say you have, come out and read out the texts that you sent to her? How would you feel? Unu are workless people, whole layad. Unu can't, hey, let me tell you this. Unu no have no moral. Unu no have no standard. All of you over there where I watch Mackie and I tell him about keep going. Unu no have no standard. Unu no have no respect, no moral for yourself. A woman is going to ask his man to buy him a shredder. And he comes talk about it. A man is going to buy pad for his wife, his woman. Talk about it. And we know, yeah, cheering for him, we know, love him. Because we don't like to see how Alicia Kim is moving up in life. Mackie say, Alicia Kim's success is success. Now let me ask you something. There's many men in this world who have helped women to grow. Is their success because they're not together no more? My viewers and subscribers, I want you to listen to this. Listen to this.
Is just, you're just a go-getter where you can be a good motivation for me.
Their personality is what really
Man,
should
very
go.
charming, very charming.
So, she used the personality to win you over,
Semi
you know.
Virgil. No, I know them probably are listening to me right now, but
I want them listen. I want them to
no, no,
listen.
no, 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 no. Listen, I have a phone, I say, and I know she know. She don't have a clue when on this phone from 2018 April until she leave Jamaica
So
in
you all hear that.
2020.
Now,
She
my
don't know
viewers
because this is an
and
old phone number.
subscribers
You
and
understand?
content creators,
This is an old
I'm
phone
going
number which
to
she don't have.
play something
And it's so much
and I'm
stuff
going
on this
to
phone. Text
let you know the
messages,
reason why.
on this thing, money
Listen to this
transfer.
first before.
A lot of, even for a voice note, them the
Good
point.
morning,
How would you
Gemini.
post up the point? She don't know some have them.
She don't know about them there. But I want to ask you a question.
Gemini, when you're in a relationship and you call your husband, your boyfriend, or your man boo, what reason why you'd call him boo?
boo is just a term of endearment, similar to sweetheart or baby. People use it to express affection and closeness in a relationship. Is there a specific context you're thinking about?
Well, I'm really thinking about uh, a man and a woman together, and she call him boo because she feel that love for him. However, the relationship got sour and broken up. And I'm trying
I
to
see. It
yes.
sounds like the term boo was a symbol of the love they shared when the relationship was good. It's common for feelings to change and relationships to end, and that can be a really difficult experience. Are you thinking about something specific related to that?
I'm just thinking, should should people still call that person boo in that sense of because that lady give him that name boo? Should people still call him boo?
That really depends on the situation and the people involved. If the relationship is completely over and there's no romantic feeling left, it might be less common to use that term. Sometimes people transition to different names or just stop using terms of endearment. It really depends on what both people feel comfortable with.
Thank you very much, Gemini. And Gemini, I have another thing that I really want to talk to you about. Gemini, why would a man buy his wife, his significant other, the love of his life, some things, and then when the relationship broke up, talks about it? What kind of man would do that?
There could be many reasons why someone might bring that up after a relationship ends. It could be due to lingering hurt, regret, or even a feeling of wanting recognition for the things they provided. Sometimes people say things they don't fully mean when they're emotional. Is there a particular situation you're thinking about?
Let me think for a little bit. Um, like someone asks you to buy a peeler, a shredder for cabbage. Would you would you tell people that you bought that for your wife or your lady?
Whether someone chooses to mention buying those things for their significant other is a personal choice and depends a lot on their personality and the context. Some people might not think it's important to mention, while others might bring it up naturally in conversation or if the topic comes up. It doesn't necessarily say much about their character.
Okay, so if the relationship is not a relationship anymore, and you're using it as a tool against that individual, what do you have to say about that?
Using gifts as a tool or weapon in a former relationship can be manipulative. It often shows that there might be unresolved issues or resentment, and it's not a healthy way to handle the end of a connection. Ideally, relationships should be remembered for the positive aspects, even when they've concluded.
Gemini, thank you very much. I may come back, but thank you very much right now. So, guys, did you hear the fairness of what I asked? Now, Mackie and guys, I did have to. The reason why I did that is I'm trying to let you all know out there that that BOO word, you all should stop calling that name. That name was given to him out of love. Mackie. Mackie is the name. That name, BOO, was given to him out of love. The love mashup. Stop calling him that name because guess what happened? There's many people out there who their husband, boyfriend, that's the name they call them. And when they hear that name, some people turn the TV off. I'm telling you, I'm not asking you. Some people turn the TV off because they don't like that name and they don't want to hear that name calling him who is doing that, because what it do is it's telling them that, I wonder if my BOO is going to do me the same thing. So guys, I'm asking you to stop calling that name. Yeah man, stop. Me I beg you no. You don't have to do it still, but show you the reason why. Now, Mackie, you never did know, say, the hot lady, a Jezebel. Hmm? And you say she hot. And you say she bring you forward and you say all those good things. So you never did know, say she a Jezebel. And then when this cheating business start about, you come up with this cheating. But in a court, you never tell the court that she was cheating and you don't. You never tell the court that she was cheating on you because she wasn't cheating on you. All of a sudden now you come up with these cheating and these all kind of things. You know, she say in our work, you don't listen. You don't see that it's not working. It's not working. Let me say this to you. You buy her a phone and you talk about it. Everything you buy her, you talk about it. You keep everything in track. You keep everything together. You keep everything because you're out for Alicia Kim long time. Long time you're out for her. You set up everything and you execute everything the right and proper way. Now, what I really have to say to you is this. Anybody in your family, I believe them can't talk to you still because the way how you operate, they now can't talk to you. But Mackie, I want to say this little part to you, see? When Alicia Kim was in Jamaica, you say she never have nothing. Yeah, that's what you say. You say she never have nothing. Now, my question to you is this. My viewers, listen to this.
All of my earth saying, you know, right? Hey, boo, just picked up the money. The system was giving trouble all day. Heading home now, boo. I see that.
Now, you send your lady some money. Why didn't you don't send it because you know you don't have it? Why didn't you look how long you send that money? 2018. 2018 you send that money and you still have that put together. Why you still have those things? Why would you still have those things? I send money all over. I do not keep those kind of things. And me I go tell you something what you say. You say you carry the bank statement over to your friend. Why would you take up your bank statement, bring to your friend to show your friend what you buy and how you buy and whatever? You're like a mama man. I'm gonna tell you something to that friend, that one there, that friend there, because you have several of them, you know. That friend is a mama man just like you. Yeah, that friend. I know you're trying to make this thing dead out. But you know what I would love if you could do? I would love if you can make. I don't think you have any of these whole texts and any of those things that he sent you. Because from 2018, I don't think you keep any of those things like he do. Because I don't think you have the same mindset like what he have was planning for you. That's what I think. You don't have any of those things. But I wish you did have them. And I wish if you have anything, I wish you would post them, show them. Yes, I wish to shut him up. Because you know what? As he said, he record, he tape everything. He have everything from 2018. And he go play them, he go use them. He text message. Text message from 2018. We are in 2005. And a man have text message that his woman sent to him when the love was strong, when the love was there. And you keep those text message when you love the person. How can you love a person so much and keep text message, keep all those things if you didn't have a plan? Now you tell me, if you didn't have a plan, why would you keep all these things if you didn't have something up your sleeve? My viewers and subscribers, think and listen. Think, have some form of sense, some form of moral status to what this man is trying to do to this young lady. You didn't know she was a Jezebel. You didn't know she was a nobody when you were saying how hot she was. When you was going down to Jamaica to be walking up and down in her apartment naked. You didn't know that she was a Jezebel all this time. You didn't know all of that. You didn't know that she was a nobody. Let me say this to you. You said he is a loving papa. You said your ex-wife didn't marry you for money or papers because you didn't have no money. Only thing you have was the papers. You said it. You said that she did not marry you for no money. You said you don't know why them a call her gold digger because you don't got it. Remember, you said that. Not me, not them, not nobody else. You same one say it out of your little dirty mouth. You little shit in a plate, friend. You little shit in a plate, friend. When him rum. Him say, the happiest him ever see Alicia Kim was when Alicia Kim get the baby papers and the test. That's the happiest him ever see Alicia Kim. Now, if isn't that something? Isn't that something? Guys, watch. If you notice, look at, as a matter of fact, watch this. Watch this. All right, guys, this what me just show you a while ago. Alicia Kim face expression. Do you see any happiness there? Huh? Do you see any happiness there? Is that a happy woman? Hmm? Is that a happy woman who's feeling in love and huh? Is that a happy woman? That's not a happy woman. I really and truly wish Alicia Kim would go toe to toe with you. I really wish you would. But Alicia Kim have bigger and better things to worry about. And that's the reason why Alicia Kim not going toe to toe with you. Because I know she can. I know she can. I know Alicia Kim can go toe to toe with you. And I wish she would go toe to toe with you. With all these things you're talking about her. And to all of the females, all of the ladies, all of the women them out there, remember, there is man like Mackie out there. There is man like Mackie out there. Look out for them. Look out for them. Look out for them because they're there ready and waiting like a snake. You buy a woman a phone. You buy a woman a shredder. You buy the woman call you and ask you to use your credit card to buy an app because the app is an American app. And that's the reason why she called you to ask you to, because you is her man at the time. And you're talking about that. What if all of our us man and woman should go out and talk about what we buy for our significant others? What if all of us should do that? Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I will be back. This video is going to be a long one. I will be back. Watch this video. Peace and love. Bye bye. I'm out.